here. How's everybody doing? I wanted to say happy Earth Day, which was actually yesterday, but we should be celebrating our planet and taking excellent care of it, because if you have been following the astronauts, they are showing views that we have never seen before, since they went literally on the other side of the moon and took photos of how tiny our planet looks when you're that far away and you see a tiny blue planet in the midst of vast darkness. And one of the, I think it was Christina, the astronaut, said that it's so different from being in the orbiting space station, which she has been to. This was not even her first trip to space, which is wild. And so she said, I mean, when you're on the space station, you're orbiting around the Earth and you can still see your home. You can still see, you know, like you are in space, but you're like, your whole view is our planet. She said this time it was very different because she was so far away that they just saw us as this tiny planet, and they saw really how expansive all of the blackness is around in space, which drives home the point even more how important it is for us to take care of ourselves and our little planet that we are on. And the video that I posted about the overview effect on my TikTok account has grown to about 250,000 views and comments and all that right now, like 75,000+, which is wild. It's just like sparking all these conversations, which I think is awesome, because that means that goes to show exactly what I'm talking about, that we are so much more alike than we are different. So many people are so interested in this subject and this topic, and in my opinion, from the amount of interaction this is getting, people are so interested in connecting, and how can we connect more? And I love that. Thank you for sharing, people that are sharing all these different ways that they have felt this feeling before. Some people are talking about various experiences, everything from traveling to national parks, looking at the night sky. Some people are saying, hey, I felt that same overview effect feeling when I've been on mushrooms. And I'm like, great, many different ways to achieve that feeling. And I just think it sparked some really interesting conversations. So thank you. And so I just think it's more important than ever that we do realize how much more alike than we are different. There were a couple of comments that I got which were really funny to me. Honestly, thank you for the entertainment. One guy referred to me as a boy with his coloring books. I was like, okay, thanks for calling me a boy and I have coloring books. What, dude? In other words, saying that like, oh, it's just Fantasyland for, I don't know. It was hilarious though, so thank you. I got such a laugh out of that. Another comment was, oh, it's Hollywood. You know that people don't go to space. And it's like, okay, dude, all right, with the flat earthers, do you really think we just walk and then fall off the planet? Really? Come on, dude. Anyways, so those comments were hilarious. But for the most part, people are truly like trying to connect and share their experiences. So thank you, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Next time you pass by a stranger today, remember that we are more alike than we are